Today we are recreating a Little Kim inspired makeup look. Let's see if we could look like her. First thing first, I'm using the e.l.f. Jelly Pot Primer. It's my first time using it. It's like dripping everywhere. Smell literally like jelly. Going in with the e.l.f. corrector. Just gonna cover up all my hyperpigmentation and my scar. I remember listening to Little Kim forever when I'm not even supposed to be listening to her. I freaking love the 90s, like Y2K vibe. I have been looking up videos and pictures of her. It's kind of hard to see what she's wearing on her eyes. Pulling out the new e.l.f. foundation. This foundation is like so reasonable. It's like $8. So we're going to try that out as well. I'm going to put a little bit of NARS mixed with that foundation. She's wearing like a nude. Oh wow, nice coverage too. So I think like most of her look is like what she's known for in the makeup space. It's kind of like just natural look. So I'm going with like a classic natural Little Kim beat today. So let me finish this up and then I'll be back for concealer. I'm going in with the NARS concealer. Blend with James Charles beauty blender. I like this beauty blender because it's so big, way bigger than my normal ones, and I could hold it really well. She got like a round cheekbone, so I'm gonna try to mimic hers, and I love to do all the way around the jawline. This look should be so easy. I'm gonna set with Hoola powder. I like to turn mine to the side. It's like a pointy, and just go down the nose. For the rest of the face, I'm going in with One Size powder. So we're putting some little color in now. For blush, I'm going in with Watermelon Bliss because every time I look at her pictures, she always has red cheekbone. Classic matte palette from Kylie Cosmetics. We're going to use this to create the look. This is going to be the fastest eyes ever. So we're going to blend and push in the crease. Going in with an even lighter shade to do right here. We're gonna grab a nude and we're just gonna pack this on. Blend. It's tight line. Put some on the lower lash too. Black liner on the lips and just lip gloss. For the 90s lips, I'm pulling out my e.l.f. just a lip gloss, clear. And for the last thing, I'm going to add a fake mole right here. Do I look like her now? My boyfriend said he liked the lips. That's the best part. This is me as Little Kim. Please tag her in this video. Hopefully she see it because I'm her twin. She just don't know it yet.